What are we learning today? Boom. Day 10, Dewey Square. We're gonna be checking out this line. Ooh. Still going. Killing. All right, we're learning that today. Ready? Start right now. I love the way he starts this bridge. It's got this really cool little rhythmic motif. That's a tricky fingering. What would Steve Cortica do? Steve, let us know. So I'm gonna try them both. That's front E, going from the G sharp to the front E, and let's try the palm. All right, let's check that line out again. I think it's like 6 measures long. Yeah, it was. Ha! Crazy. Bird, you're amazing. I kind of like the palms a little better. It's a little smoother. Yeah, I'm going to go with palms. But what would Steve Cortica do? Close. I don't know if I can get that second little chunk up to speed. We'll try it. Wow, that was pretty tough. I mean, what a beautiful line. What an amazing playing over the bar line masterclass that was. I couldn't quite get that second altissimo line down, so I played it down an octave on the 100% speed. But I'm going to take a note of it and practice that, because I think playing something like that in all octaves of your horn that you have the facility to will make you a better player and will make you more flexible all over the horn. So that's going to be on my shed list, and I'm going to take that through some keys. And I think it's going to be really good for my voicing, as well as my intonation up in that range, and build that beautiful bigger sound. Some people that have like amazing sounds up there, someone I alluded to earlier, Steve Cortica, the great Joshua Redman, you name it, Walter Smith, Seamus, Ben Wendell, my guy Jeff Fidel. Amazing technical facility in the altissimo range, plus they make it sing so nicely. So goals for the future. All right, well, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.